Welcome to this tutorial. Today is about how to buy Bitcoin directly into your Blockstream Jade Hardware Wallet. This method allows you to purchase Bitcoin with only a bank transfer, and it will be sent directly to your self-custodial wallet. In this video, we use the Jade Hardware Wallet with the Green Wallet as an app on a smartphone. This means you can also do this entire setup directly from your phone. Begin by visiting getbittr.com and click on Buy Bitcoin. The first step is to enter your email address. Once done, check your inbox for a message from Bittr. Open the email and click on the link to verify your address. Enter the IBAN of the bank account you want to use for the purchase. At the wallet selection, choose Blockstream Jade. Bittr will then display a message that needs to be signed by your hardware wallet. But first, let's connect the Jade with the app. Open the Blockstream Green App on your phone and turn on your Jade. Pair the app with your hardware wallet and unlock the device. In the app, open your wallet and go to Receive. Now you can see your receiving address. Copy this address and return to the Bittr website and paste it into the first field. Then copy the message displayed by Bittr and switch back to the Green app. Go to More Options and then to List of Addresses. You will see a small signature icon next to the first address. Tap on it. Awesome! You opened the message signing feature. Paste the copied message into the field and tap Sign Message. The app tells you to check your Jade. On the Jade, verify the message and confirm. When that's done, the Green app automatically displays your signature. Copy this signature and paste it back into the signature field on the Bittr website. In the very last step, you can decide whether to use an XPUB or a single address. If you're unsure, check the links below to a blog post that explains the difference, as well as an article from Blockstream on how to obtain the XPUB from your Jade. For this tutorial, I'll proceed with a single address. Nice, your setup is complete. You now get all the details you need for your bank transfer. You can copy the IBAN and the payment reference by just clicking on them. You can use them as often as you want to. Every time you send money, we are going to convert it into Bitcoin and send it straight into your Jade. To see how it works, let's set up a bank transfer. It doesn't matter which bank you're using. Open your banking app and enter name, IBAN, and the amount you want to convert into Bitcoin. If you like to start a Bitcoin savings plan, you can set up a recurring bank transfer. I'm setting up a monthly transfer, so I only need to set it up once and everything runs automatically. Don't forget to add your payment description as a reference. Once the transfer is complete, head back to your email inbox. You should soon receive a confirmation email from Bittr that confirms that your Bitcoin purchase is complete and that Bitcoin has been sent to your wallet. The email also shows you all the important details like the Bitcoin amount you received and the exchange rate that was used for your purchase. And that's all. Like this, you can now stack sats directly into your Jade with a single bank transfer. Thanks for watching and happy stacking.